Good morning everyone. It's 6th of Feb. सुबह के 7 बज रहे हैं. There's something very interesting that I'm doing. 15 minutes late हूँ मैं. I should be going now. Yeah, welcome to yet another vlog. मेरा नाम है बिनी और आप हैं मेरे चैनल पे. Well, it is a very different day today. So I'm riding with the bunch of riders who ride TVS, and I have been genuinely very impressed with what all these Indian bands have been doing. And also, I really genuinely wanted to ride the new TVS and see how the Apache really holds up on the highway. It's going to be a fun ride. फिलहाल, for now, I am driving to Rajasthan Hospital, जहाँ पे सबके सब मिल रहे हैं. So let me take you there, and probably from there, let me pick it up again.
April showers in the month of May. The ground's still wet and the sky's still grey, but you're still shining.
There's something with white and red connection. Every single time a company gives me a bike, it's either red or white. This beauty is something that I'm riding today. The Apache RTR 200.
But you're still.
So riding from Ahmedabad to Mount Abu today, it's going to be fun. Some good riders, good 30 riders. The whole event is being carried out from Stallion TVS, and this is the AOG Ahmedabad guys who have organized all of this. So it's going to be fun. Some good riders. Looking forward to it.
Pieces, when I don't know where to start. Put me back together.
So some sticker and badge distribution happening. Got mine as well. AOG Ahmedabad it is. इसके लिए TVS को मेरे को एक sponsor bike दे देनी चाहिए. I love the 310R. If anybody from TVS is watching this, you know what to do.
Through your tear-filled eyes and your hands that shake.
So the key is in. Let's start the ignition and see how it looks. Woo. Not bad. Yeah, I love the stance by the way. It's a beautiful stance with the bike. Oh, ABS is flashing. This one has done about 8,000 kilometers. As soon as you switch it on, it says race on. This bike has been provided by Stallion guys. I don't have the mirrors, but don't ride. Don't ever ride without the mirrors. It's risky.
When you don't know where to start, I'll put you back together. I'll put you back together again.
So just to give you how it looks on the road as well, it has a great presence also. First thing first, I love the clutch. The clutch is super duper smooth.
When I fall apart into a million pieces, when I don't know where to start, when I forget where my peace is, when you fall apart to a million pieces.
See, for someone who rides a 650, this one definitely is an underpowered bike. I was doing 110 tops. Filhal, just taking a break, all of them.
I'll put you back.
We've only reached Mehsana. So taking a pit stop again in Mehsana at Shanku's water park. Also, it's pretty slow. The way we ride it, it's pretty slow according to that. But so far so good. You have some good riders. अभी सिर्फ चाय मारेंगे और देखते क्या करेंगे. That is Abhishek, everybody. How's the ride going for you? You're not riding right now, no?
No, I am not riding. Because there's a lot of
Management skills. You have to show management skills here.
You need to ensure that everything is going on. Everything is right, everything is set. you can't ride. So for riding, you need to be in peace basically.
Well, let's sit and talk about. I would love to know about what AOG is planning to do in future as well.
100%.
That's something I would love to talk about. So yeah, once probably we reach Mount Abu.
We'll sit and talk about
Yes. What up, Mr. Gandhi? See, there are few good things about riding in a group. You meet some very funny, amazing people, and then you end up cracking some amazing jokes, and then you're like, oh, this is pun intended. All of that idiotic stuff is happening right now. We're taking some chai samosa break, and every single one is super excited to reach Mount Abu and then do all the tandav that we are planning to do. But for now, we still have to cover about 120 kilometers. So everybody's lined up. Abhishek is trying to direct a shot, something that he desperately wants. Crew is here. The lineup is done already.
When I fall apart into a million pieces, when I don't know where to start, you put me back together. You put me back together.
So again, a few breaks that these guys were taking close to Kanodar. पंगा is जितने ज़्यादा breaks हो रहे हैं उतना ही ज़्यादा लंबे breaks हो जाते हैं. छोटे breaks हो ही नहीं रहे हैं. And it's already about 1:45 and we have been told we have to cover about 60-70 kilometers more, and we've been told the lunch is there. So
When you're at the end of your tired rope, when you're feeling trapped and just need to go, darling, I'll be ready when you fall apart into a million pieces, when you don't know where to start.
it just went off, but it really was showing the high speed as well. Hey, that's a good feature. So 126 stops I did on the stretch, waiting again for something. See, when you have to cover people and shoot and stuff, all these guys have been waiting.
Together, I'll put you back together again. When I fall apart into a million pieces, when I don't know.
Finally here at Mount Abu, we're getting all the registrations done. All the bikes are going to be registered and then we enter inside. But this is the entrance. So finally here at Chacha Inn, the admins wanted to smoke. They wanted to extend the break, but here we are. Few of us, we rode to the hotel. We are probably going to check in very soon. It's one of the bestest properties in Mount Abu. That's Utsav, Harsh,
Hello,
and they actually twin with their bike numbers as well.
mine is 0911 and his is 1911. Yeah.
Awesome. And both are Apaches.
Yeah, both are Apaches, 4Bs.
Yeah, man. Super tired as well. 9 बजे निकले थे. कितने बजे निकले थे हम वहाँ से?
सुबह yeah, around 9:15.
9:15 and it's already 4:45 to cover 200 kilometers. Everybody was super duper hungry. Look at शक्लें देखो लोगों की अभी. हालत देखो, हालत. Alright, so done with the food as well. So now walking down to the rooms. This is a beautiful, beautiful property. Chacha Inn. क्या नाम है सर आपका?
मेरा नाम चंदन है.
चंदन जी. हाँ चलिए. चंदन जी अच्छा ये रहा. G5 is right here. And the beautiful room at Chacha Inn. Let me give you a nice tour. Beautiful bathroom. And that's your beautiful host. हाँ जी, तो पहुंच गए अपने रूम में. We started the ride at 9 o'clock in the morning. Flag off हुआ था 9 बजे. We reached at 4:45 to be precise. That's quite a long journey. But anyways, right now the time is about 5:45. Everybody is done eating as well. Every single one was super hungry. 6:30ish is going to be high tea. And then you have a band performance. I'm super excited about that. What I'm gonna do is rest for a while, like half an hour, maybe take a power nap, and then see you guys on the other side. So that is Kushal, everybody.
Hi.
My roommate for the day, and he's 21-year-old. 21 साल का लड़का है. The plan is we are going for the high tea and
Whatever it is, we'll have so much of fun.
that is what the plan is, to have crazy time.
Yeah.
All right, then walking towards the garden area where they have arranged the live band as well. I can already hear few music sets all over the place. In fact, 2 या 3 अलग-अलग music sets बज रहे हैं. You have a Rajasthani music set right here somewhere. I think the band setup is somewhere there. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. An acoustic set right there. What a crazy end to the day. Madness. Back in the hotel room. Now the plan is to just crash. A lot of music, a lot of masti that we did. And sone ka time. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. A very beautiful morning in Mount Abu. We've come for breakfast. So for me, like always, some egg, butter and bread. Keep it safe. Just before riding out, every single one is mingling right now, knowing about each other's bike. This is how actually the brotherhood also evolves. I think we're just ready to ride out now. Beautiful. So all of them lining up. We are at Guru Shikhar, everybody. So what we are planning to do is going to click some photographs and we are just going to pose. Look at that, man. Look at that. What time is it? 4 o'clock?
4 or 5.
4 na?
4 or 5.
So it's 4 o'clock. Every single one is super hungry. That is what's up, everybody.
Hey.
How's your ride? Riding with AOG? How's your experience?
Exceptional and exciting.
And बहुत ही सात्विक लड़का है, ना दारू पीता है, ना नॉनवेज खाता है. What else do you do?
I do sell softwares. That's my job.
And that's our rider from Rajkot. Harsh, how was your experience, Harsh?
My experience was mind-blowing. It was my first ride with AOG.
And you rode all the way from Rajkot?
I rode all the way from Rajkot.
Nice. Everything included, your ride is about almost 1,000 kilometers.
Or almost 1,000 kilometers.
1000 किलोमीटर कर लिए 2 दिन में लड़ गए. Awesomeness. That's Abhishek, everybody. This is amazing. Addressing, doing all these media bites. I think every single one is done eating. All right, it's lovely meeting the complete gang from TVS. Bye bol do. And I am going to do solo from here. Every single one is going to wait. See you guys. I'll take a leave for now. I'll see you very soon. Yes. Take care, man. See you. Sure. Done deal. Take care, man. Lovely meeting you. Chalo, dhyan rakho. See you guys. Bye.